Still on the road, social media cries out against abusive cops after a video recently made the rounds on social media. Ina Andalong now sheds some light on who has authority on the road and how far that power really goes.
This incident didn't only stir outrage against the airport police. It also revived discussions on a traffic enforcement issue which many drivers are still confused about. Who can confiscate a driver's license? A legal expert says it is the Land Transportation Office that primarily has the authority to confiscate licenses.
Only the LTO issues the driver's license. So only the LTO can confiscate, but the LTO can delegate MMDA.
In this case, did the airport police have the right to demand, and if he did, confiscate the taxi driver's license? Apparently, he did.
In an airport operation like NAIA, the airport police, as provided by law, are actually authorized to confiscate licenses. They're deputized by the LTO to perform this function.
The confusion on who can confiscate licenses could be due to the fact that there are at least 3 laws that tackle the issue. There's a law which says that it's the LTO's job, another that says the same about the MMDA, and a third one, the Local Government Code, which allows city councils to carry out a traffic management program, which for some cities like Makati include authorizing local police to confiscate a driver's license. Attorney Mark Tolentino says motorists shouldn't be confused. While it would appear that several groups can take a driver's license, he says the LTO just deputized all of them. He says the LTO can deputize police officials, including those deployed at airports, MMDA personnel, and traffic enforcers of local governments. The MMDA, however, says it doesn't need to be deputized by the LTO. It insists it also has the authority to deputize.
If they pass the exam, LGUs, PNP, military police, even private security guards, gaya ng Ortigas, deputized namin yan.
MMDA enforcers, however, cannot confiscate a license during all traffic apprehensions. The agency's website lists specific situations where its enforcers can confiscate a license. These include instances when the driver is involved in an accident, when the driver has 3 or more unsettled violations, and when the license is fake or is owned by another person. The rest mostly involve airing public utility vehicle drivers for broken meters, among others. For local traffic enforcers, Attorney Tolentino says not all are qualified to confiscate a license.
Kailangan permanent officials sila, employee of the government, and kailangan yung main task nila is primarily directly related sa traffic management. It means not all LGU officers or LGU employees can confiscate.
Attorney Tolentino says drivers could be guided better if all traffic enforcers deputized to confiscate licenses are given the same uniform. Unfortunately, he says, this isn't discussed in any law. Ina Andalong, 9 News.